Alright, so we're in Dave's Focus right now. We're headed down to, where are we going? Jersey?
Yeah.
We're going to Jersey. Dave is actually picking up an IS300, so we're gonna go look at it, see if it's worth it, and then if it's good, we're gonna drive back.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohax.
Man is being weird. Putting plates back on. Hopefully coming back tonight to get it. So we're only like, what'd you say, 50 minutes? We're only like 50 minutes from home and we get a text that we can pick up the title, so that's good stuff. Now we gotta drive 25 more minutes to go get it.
HBD. HBD.
HBD.
Yeah, 192.
Yo, what is he wearing right now?
You're going to jail. Other way. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohax.
Alright, so we just got back to the shop and now it's time to teach Dave how to maneuver this thing. So I gave him the basics on how to basically get into gear and move forward, and now we're just gonna try it. We're gonna go down the road and see how he does. First try, he's moving the car perfectly fine. I don't know what's going on here, but he's got it already. And third. Up into the middle, yep. You're already moving it. That's fine, but... And shift. That's fine. And shift third.
AutoZone, please hold.
Okay.
What do you need from AutoZone?
Why is this so close to me?
Get a kiss.
I need a spare part for my fat cock.
Why don't we just go there? They close in 30 minutes, don't they?
Close at.
Yeah, well, that's what I was saying. It said
Why
call
was
now.
it calling from my phone?
They probably answered that. Hello? Hello?
I was gonna say, that's what I said before. Head there, but call now. And then just...
Oh, you said to just call.
No, yeah, I said call now, but head there.
Mine is broken.
You want You want another one? Oh, I don't.
Put that one
I
in
think
there
that was a
for
mystery
later.
flavor. That one.
I just fumbled the fucking bag.
There was only one of those. You want to pick one of these?
Just,
There's more. There's like red. Yeah, you want a ring pop?
hey, bitch, you want a pixie stick?
You want a ring pop? It came with the car. There was 2 bags of ring pops in the trunk of the car. Yeah.
Are they safe?
We're about to find out.
I don't know. We paid $8,000 for them, so they better be good.
Sure.
There.
Yeah,
You want one?
I dropped it. It's not full.
Oh, fine.
The whole case inside.
You want them?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Nice.
worth it.
Join the team at AutoZone
Uh-huh.
and see where your drive can take you.
This was $8,000. Came with the car. Might be poisoned. This is the last video. Actually, you wouldn't see this video if it's poison, because Carlos is eating one too.
What?
I'm just telling them if this is poison. They wouldn't be seeing the video because you're eating one too.
Yeah. Alright, it's the next day. We got the power steering pump in. We're gonna get the pulley off right now. I already took off the belt. I covered up the intake and I sprayed underneath. With Purple Power, we're gonna get this bolt off, get the pulley off, and then we're gonna spray all this with Purple Power. We're gonna power wash the car, get all the grease off, and then figure out exactly where it's leaking from.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.